Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Olunde, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are most welcome. So today's video is about this high ponytail hairstyle that I have on. I think it is called stitches, right? Yeah. So I achieved this hairstyle using Darling NaturalBraid that is so inexpensive. So if you would like to see how I made this hair in this video, please watch the video to the end. And please do not forget to like my video. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share if you find the video interesting. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm making use of combs and brushes, eco styling gel instead of my regular black gel, hair oil for my hair extension, Darling NaturalBraid's hair extension. Take note, you can use any hair extension of your choice, and then ropes to tie my hair in place. So I will detangle my hair first and then divide my hair from ear to ear because I want my bun to be a bit high this time instead of my normal low bun. Okay, so that is what the back is supposed to look like. So I'll tuck the back in just like that, and then I'll detangle the front and divide my hair into 5 equal rows. Please make sure your lines are straight. Don't be like me. Well, this is this is actually my first time doing stitches ponytail, and I decided to film it. Alright, so I'm dividing my hair, and so that is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to tie 4 together so as not to disturb the first row that I want to work on. So next is to pick your eco styling gel. Apply tiny amounts from the front to the sides, and then pick your tail comb to divide. Now this division is based on whatever number of stitches you want each row to have. So mine will be having 3 stitches each. Yours can either be smaller or bigger. Depends on whatever number you want it to be. So for the first front stitch, you are going to tie it a bit coming to the front, not to the middle. It is important that it comes to the front to give way for the others. So you're going to tie a knot like that to secure it, and then you're going to repeat the same process for the second stitch, just like that. If you feel there are no styling gel on it, you can apply a tiny bit to aid your styling. So you're going to attach the first front stitch to the second one and the second to the third one. Please ignore the white patches you're seeing. Those are like the excess of the styling gel. And I must confess, it is not easy making your own hair when you have nails on, but we do what we do. So you pick the next one, and you're going to like repeat the same step, rolling the ends of the others to the next. So that's how you basically attach the stitches together. Tie a knot to secure your hair, just like that. So that's what it's supposed to look like. You repeat the same process for the next one. Apply your styling gel from the fronts and to the sides, just tiny bits. You don't need too much of styling gel for this. It is important that you use this styling gel or any other transparent styling gel. Please do not use the black gel because that won't let the lining of your scalp show. So you're also going to repeat the same process. Tie this a bit coming to the front, not to the middle, just like that. Please do not be like me. Keep the rest of your hair in place properly so they don't get in the way of your styling. So I'm basically just repeating the same process from the first to the second. Like that. You guys can tell I'm stressed, but I'm also feeling myself while making this hair. Alright, you're going to roll the ends and then attach it to the third one. And you're going to tie. This could have been a lot easier if I was able to get black rubber bands, but I couldn't. I only got the colored ones. I think I'll make another stitches ponytail using the colored rubber bands, but because I couldn't get the black rubber bands, I had to make use of ropes. If you can get the black rubber bands, it's fine, you can actually make use of it. I would make another video showing you how to use a rubber band, but this is what I could get, so I'm making use of it. So this is like the last one. This last one, I think it's two because the other side wasn't really enough, so I had to make it into two. And this is me learning from my past mistakes, right? Keeping all other hairs in place so it doesn't disturb the one I'm styling. Repeat the same process. Tie the first coming to the front, just like that, and then you are going to roll the ends of the first hair. Yes, exactly, just like that. Then you're going to attach it to the second stitch. And that is done. So what I'm going to do now is to work my way to make my bun. So I'm going to work on the back to make it smooth using my brush, and then I'm going to tie my bun just like that. So we're going to braid the ends so it will be easy for us to tuck it down. So that's what I'm doing here. And then next I'm going to pick my styling gel so I can style the back. So this is what the back is supposed to look like. So the next is to pick the extension that I want to use. I'll be showing you guys how I did this on my hair. So what we need here is a rubber band. Just watch carefully how I did this process because I can't really explain. I don't know the right words to use. I hope you guys understood what I did there. So once that is done, I'm going to prep the hair extension. Yeah, so that is how I placed it on my hair. So to secure this hair extension, you just need a tiny bit from the left and also from the right to roll across your bun. So that's basically what I'm doing. So I'm going to pick another tiny bit from the other side and then I'm going to roll like in a crisscross way. So once that is done, smoothing the ponytail, and then the next is to work your way to your edges. do your edges the way you want it to be. You can either give yourself baby hairs or you can just lay them back. So that is what I am doing here. You guys know once we've gotten to this place, that is like a breakthrough, right? So I'm going to work on my tethers. Hope that is what it's called. Uh, and voila! This is what they are supposed to look like. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you find this video interesting.